Have you ever wondered how car brakes work? Every time you press the brake pedal, a sophisticated chain of physics and engineering kicks in, allowing your car to stop reliably and in a fraction of a second. This video explains the process for beginners. The physics of stopping relies on three key principles. First, a moving car has kinetic energy that must be converted. Second, friction is generated by brake pads clamping against rotors to slow the wheels. Finally, this kinetic energy is transformed into heat, which the rotors dissipate. The process starts with your foot on the brake pedal. This converts leg movement into mechanical force, but because that isn't enough to stop a heavy vehicle, a brake booster uses engine vacuum to amplify that pressure by up to 3 times, making stops effortless and safer. Next is the master cylinder, the pressurized heart of the system. According to Pascal's law, when you press the pedal, it pushes fluid through the lines to all 4 wheels simultaneously. Modern systems use 2 separate circuits for safety, ensuring braking power remains even if one circuit fails. The brake fluid travels through a network of lines. Because this fluid is incompressible, it transmits pressure instantly. Rigid steel lines run along the chassis, while flexible rubber hoses connect to the moving suspension components at each wheel. Maintaining a sealed, air-free system is critical for safety. Once the pressurized fluid reaches the wheels, the caliper takes over. It uses this hydraulic pressure to push a piston, which then clamps the brake pads onto the rotor. Depending on the design, this may be a fixed or a floating caliper, but both serve to convert hydraulic pressure into physical force. This friction interface is where the actual stopping happens. Brake pads, made of composite materials, clamp down on a precision-machined metal rotor. This direct contact converts the vehicle's kinetic energy into thermal energy, safely slowing your car down. Modern vehicles also utilize anti-lock braking systems, or ABS. These systems use sensors to detect when a wheel is about to lock up during hard braking. The system then pulses the pressure up to 15 times per second, allowing the wheels to keep turning so you can still steer during an emergency. To keep your braking system alive, follow these maintenance tips. Listen for squealing or grinding noises, which indicate worn pads. Replace your brake fluid every 2 years to prevent corrosion and maintain effectiveness. Finally, regularly inspect the system for pad thickness and fluid leaks. Remember, your brakes are the most critical safety system in your vehicle. Worn pads can increase stopping distance by up to 30%. Regular maintenance is not just about car care. It is a non-negotiable safety mandate to ensure you can stop on demand and stay safe on the road.